what's happening in neighbouring Karnataka. We're now taking our eyes and focus away from the CM Nataka that continues months on to play out. In rather dramatic developments, Rahul Gandhi touched down in Karnataka to immediately be taken away for a meeting, a one-on-one with Siddaramaiah, with DK Shivkumar standing by and watching, and then a one-on-one with DK Shivkumar and Rahul Gandhi. What exactly played out? What have we picked up on these side meetings that took place? We'll break that down for you in this report.
The power tussle within the Karnataka Congress is back in the spotlight. It began with a brief but buzzworthy interaction. Rahul Gandhi and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar meeting at a helipad in Mysuru on Tuesday, just hours before Rahul's departure to Tamil Nadu. Soon, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah joined the huddle, 3 top Congress leaders, one short meeting and many unanswered questions. Sources say Siddaramaiah sought clarity from Rahul Gandhi over the growing buzz about leadership change in the state, flagging confusion within party ranks and asking for time to discuss the issue.
Ultimately, High Command ಅವರು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡೀತದೆ. MLAಗಳು ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. High Command ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. High Command ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೇನ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. High Command ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.
Then came the post that set political circles ablaze. Shivkumar wrote, "If efforts fail, the prayers don't." A cryptic line and instant chatter over Chief Minister ambitions. Breaking his silence, DK Shivkumar dismissed the speculation, saying not everything can be revealed and that talks focused only on strategy for protests over scrapping of Manrega.
ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನರೇಗಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವರ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಕೂಡ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
But sources indicate the Congress High Command may soon summon both the leaders to Delhi. As the internal drama unfolded, the BJP launched a sharp attack. The opposition party slammed Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar for skipping German Chancellor Friedrich Merz's Bengaluru visit, choosing to meet Rahul Gandhi instead. The BJP called it a case of misplaced priorities. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka termed it a betrayal of Karnataka's interests, saying global opportunity was sidelined for politics.
Germany is facing shortage of manpower and they are welcoming the Indians, in particularly Kannadigas, who are more efficient and effective. They wanted to do all these talks with our Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, but our Chief Minister and Deputy were not having time at all because they wanted to fix their power tussle.
The Congress hit back, arguing that foreign schedules are decided by embassies, not state governments, and that they were informed at the last moment.
It is not that we decide the program, it is the embassy which decides the program. And I don't think there's any neglect as far as the government is concerned. And Ashok, I think he lacks a lot of knowledge about how the foreign visits happen.
As Germany's Chancellor landed in Bengaluru with investment and strategic ties on the agenda, Karnataka's top leadership was elsewhere. In a state that prides itself on global leadership, the optics of absence may cost more than political points. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.